Hello, everyone over there at G.Fedale Roofing and Siding. My name is Charles, and I had sent you this message. You asked me to respond to marketing at gfedale.com. I hope you're doing well. Now, in this short video, and like I said, it is free. Feel free to implement these tips yourself. Give them to someone, whoever is doing your website, and get more and more clients coming to you. Now, you may be asking, why am I doing this? So, I realized business owners are way too busy, and sometimes way too busy to learn this stuff and to implement it themselves. And there's tons of information out there, tons of people who do what I do, and this is my way of providing free value. And I notice some of the times business owners go back to their own website on SEO person or marketing person and ask them, hey, why aren't you implementing these things that this guy is talking about? And another reason is that 90% of people use Google to look for local services like roofing services in a certain location. For example, if I was in Delaware, excuse me, I'd type in something like maybe roofer in Wilmington, and then have my results. First thing I want to mention is that this phrase that I've typed in, even these other suggestions that are given, they're called keywords. There are tools out there that you can analyze different keywords and websites, etc., and find out more about them. I use a tool called Ahrefs, which, excuse me, is popular and famous. With it, I can tell. I'll come to the Keyword Explorer and type in roofer in Wilmington. I can see about 250 people search for that every month. So that's quite a bit of traffic, which you could be getting now. If I go by domain, I can actually see who's getting this traffic. It tells me about 95% people are clicking to go to Angie because of that, because of where they are in the search results. First position. Okay, so the three things I want to talk about and three tips are to do with content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your pages. All the words, the pictures, the text behind the pictures. For example, if I try and save one of these images here, you can see it is saved as just Windows 200 by 200 underscore C. It's important to save, even saving pictures with keywords, because Google starts to see you as more relevant for those targeted keywords. And it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. You have quite a bit. I would definitely add some more of explanatory authoritative text showing what you do, who you are, locations you service, and any specials, any deals, etc. And sprinkle those keywords all within your sentences. We know that as humans, we don't really read every single word on the website. So that's more for these search engine bots to come in that scroll and see if your site is relevant for a specific search. So that's content. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. And that has more to do with the map pack area here, where you have three businesses and a map of the local area. A citation is anywhere online that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. For example, Yext, Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. The more citations you have and the more relevant citations you have, the higher you'll be in this map pack area, which is very important. I personally click on the map pack when I'm looking for local service or directions to a certain place. As my company, Warley Digital, we do have GMP optimization packages which go much more into your Google My Business profile, not just adding citations. But I've noticed that is the one thing you can do. Find out your competitors' citations and get more and more relevant citations. Add geotagged pictures to your Google My Business profile, and there are a couple of more things you can do to rank higher and higher in this area, which is important. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks have to do with this organic search result area here. So a backlink is anytime a different site links to your site, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. If it was a McDonald's directing traffic to you, would not count. Google does not see that as the same as, say, a roofing contractor forum that has a blog up and has a link going to you. That's much more relevant. The other one is more spammy. With backlinks, I use this tool, same tool, Ahrefs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab your website here, and I want to drop it into Ahrefs and just take a look at your backlinks. Now, this is something I would also do, and I encourage you to do for your competitors. Analyze their sites. Make sure you can see how many. You have about 1,800 backlinks from 366 domains. I would also come in and try get the bad backlinks out, the ones that aren't relevant. Just taking a look at your profile and the research I've done, I can tell that you already have a good standing in terms of SEO. But what really matters is your competition. So I'd make sure to study, for different keywords. Let's say it's roofing contractor in Delaware. I'll take a look at for those kind of keywords that you want to be found for. I'd definitely take a look at your competition and then get in here and increase your backlinks, become more relevant in terms of Google. So thank you very much. Those are the 3 things I just wanted to talk about to backlinks, content, and citations. I mentioned keywords. As I had mentioned, feel free to pass this on to whoever is handling your website. Or if you would like to discuss about partnering together, I am more than willing. Thank you very much. Have a great day.